So this is agrobacterium. Here I have written the different species of the agrobacterium. Name of the different species of the agrobacterium. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Rhizogen, Agrobacterium ruby, Agrobacterium radiobacter. Now look at the features. Features. The features are uh, these agrobacteria belong to the class Rhizobiaceae. This is the first. This is the to which class this agrobacterium belong. This agrobacterium species belong to the class Rhizobiaceae. They are the gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. They are aerobic. They inhabit mostly in the soil, particularly in the rhizosphere. Most of the species are pathogenic and cause diseases in plants. And one of the very important common example of the diseases, one of the very common example of various diseases caused by this agrobacterium tumefaciens is the crown gall disease of the apple. Gall is a plant tumor. In plant, tumor is also formed, and the plant tumor is known as the gall. And this agrobacterium tumefaciens, being a pathogenic bacterium, causes crown gall of apple disease, and they can infect. They can agrobacterium agrobacterium species have capacity to infect a wide range of the host, but dicot. They do not infect monocot plant. They are capsulated bacteria. Capsule is also purgent. They are also motile because of the purgence of the flagella, and the number of flagella varies from 1 to 6. And the guanine cytosine content of this agrobacterial species, particularly Agrobacterium tumefaciens, is 57. GC content varies from 57 to 63. In some cases, it varies from 53 to 57. But the most common variation is the variation of GC content is 57 to 63%. The optimal temperature required for their growth varies from 25 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees centigrade. As far the size of this agrobacterial cell is concerned, the size is 0.6 to 0.6 dash 1.0 into 1.5 to 3.0 nm. As far their length and breadth is concerned, here the size has been mentioned here. Presence of the very important character, the most important character of this agrobacterium is the presence of a special plasmid, which is known as a TI plasmid. TI stand for tumor inducing plasmid. TI stand for the tumor inducing plasmid, and this TI plasmid is a mega plasmid. The size of this plasmid is larger in comparison to the other plasmids. Presence of tDNA. This TI plasmid is very important, and this TI plasmid has a very specific region on itself, and that region is known as the tDNA region. And tDNA region stands for the transfer DNA region, and TI plasmid stand for tumor inducing. A rhizogens, which is the another species of this agrobacterium, causes causes also a very important disease in the plant, and that disease is known as the hairy root disease. You have known that the agrobacterium tumefaciens causes crown gall disease, but on the other hand, A. rhizogens causes hairy root diseases in plant, and this A. rhizogen has also a very important plasmid, and that plasmid is known as the RI plasmid, and this RI stands for root inducing plasmid. A rhizogen has RI plasmid, and this RI stands for the root inducing plasmid. And this RI plasmid, root inducing plasmid, is very important, and this plasmid is also being used as a cloning vector. A rhizogen is also a natural plant pathogen and causes hairy root disease. TI plasmid and RI plasmids are used as a vector in gene cloning in the plant. Agrobacterium can metabolize a wide range of the monosaccharides and disaccharides and salts of organic acids also, and also use ammonium ion, nitrate ion as nitrogen source. They do not fix molecular nitrogen. They are not nitrogen fixing bacteria. They cannot do the biological nitrogen fixation. They are not diazotrophs. TI plasmids and RI plasmids are of much significance with respect to their role in plant genetic transformation. So this is the very important, the some of the very important significant, very important features of the agrobacterial species, particularly Agrobacterium tumefaciens and A. rhizogens. Am I clear to all of you? Am I clear to all of you? Jubina?
Yes, sir.
Jubina? Now, just I would like to interact with you. Jubina, point out some of the important features which I have mentioned here. The important features of the agrobacterium. Let me know. Ujma, I have delivered an introductory lecture on the agrobacterium. This is an introductory lecture on the agrobacterium and their species. And I have mentioned some of the very important characters or features of the agrobacterium and its species, like Agrobacterium tumefaciens, A. rhizogens, A. ruby, and A. radiobacter. I have mentioned some of the general features and characters of these bacteria. So just I would like to know from your side that if you have been very attentive during this lecture, tell me some of the important points regarding the related to this agrobacteria. Any one of you, anyone. Sabar Ahmad, Ujma, Jubina,
नेगेटिव होता है सर.
Ujma.
सर ये ग्राम नेगेटिव होता है. एक इसका ये फीचर हुआ.
अच्छा. Why Agrobacterium tumefaciens? Why Agrobacterium tumefaciens is very important? What is specific about it? Which disease it causes in the crown? Which disease it causes in the dicot plants?
सर ये सबसे अच्छा पैरासाइट है, तो जिस वजह से ये इजीली ट्रांसफर करता है जीन वगैरह को, इसलिए इसका यूज सबसे ज्यादा किया जाता है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में.
What is the name of the plant? What is the plasmid found in the Agrobacterium species? What is the name of the plasmid found in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens?
TI plasmid, sir. Tumor-inducing plasmid.
What is the meaning of TI plasmid?
Tumor-inducing plasmid.
Tumor-inducing plasmid.
And what is the meaning of RI plasmid? RI.
Rhizogenous.
RI plasmid found in the A. rhizogens stand for root-inducing plasmid. Root-inducing plasmid. Which disease is caused by A. rhizogens? Which disease is caused by the A. rhizogens? Hairy root disease. And which disease is caused by the Agrobacterium tumefaciens? Crown gall disease is caused by the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and hairy root disease is caused by the A. rhizogens. And these two species of Agrobacterium are very important as far their role in the gene cloning in the dicot plant in the plant is concerned, because the TI plasmid and RI plasmid are very important as the vector for gene cloning in the plants. So this is I have also mentioned some of the features of these Agrobacterium species. In the next lecture, we will continue our discussion on this topic, plant genetic transformation. And I also want to point out here that this topic, I think that this question has not been asked in the last examination. Therefore, from examination point of view, the Agrobacterium is very important. You may be asked in your examination to describe Agrobacterium tumefaciens as a natural plant genetic engineer. And as far the animal cell biotechnology is concerned, we have already studied the ये इंटरफेरॉन और